What makes AquaShield systems easier and less costly to install? In contrast to systems that use concrete enclosures and field assembled components, our products are lightweight and extremely adaptable. AquaShield's complete line of stormwater treatment products are fully assembled at the factory to enable easy on-site handling, installation, and connection to storm drainage pipes. All AquaShield products offer tremendous installation advantages over traditional concrete systems. For example, the Aqua-Swirl system is designed and fabricated as a modular unit and can be installed without the use of a crane. We even provide lifting cables or lugs on each unit, which allows easy offloading and installation with only a backhoe. In addition, stub outs for inlet and outlet are provided. This allows the contractor to simply attach the storm drain pipes to the Aqua-Swirl with rubber couplings or other approved methods. Typically, an AquaShield representative is present on site to oversee the installation process. AquaShield, innovating good, clean water.